Hi guys, let's start with the video. Welcome to Senpai Raids. Now we'll move to World's Strongest Troll episode number 2. So there are numerous games in the world which exist which have hidden orbs which is hidden by the developer of the game to enhance the capability of the player who is playing the game. So there are many hidden gems, hidden box. If you have played some of the games, you will find some of the hidden tools in it which are used to enhance the power of the player. As the game exceeds slowly and gradually, the player becomes powerful as per the difficulty level of the game. And here you will see the Arcadian lady who has invited our dreamer Dex to her game, and in this game you will see the power is hidden in the book. Yes, this is the book which is going to help our player to proceed with the game. So now our player is in the capsule and now he is going to his virtual reality world. So he finds so many people standing there and staring there, so he is quite happy to see them. And then he notices that there is a notification on the screen where he finds out that he have got one sword, one vest and one pair of boots. So these are his equipments and he thinks that what I have to do with them. But then instantly he gets his another quest, the first quest to eliminate the slime. The game is just checking if he is following the commands or not. So he finds out slime is very weak, so he is just think about it how he is going to eliminate, by dashing, by stepping on it or by slashing on it. So what he does, he move forwards and just watch towards the slime, and slime is also shocked after seeing him that how he is going to eliminate him. So he just slices the slime and the quest is completed. And once this quest is completed, instantly he gets his new quest. Yes, the new quest is created, and here he finds out the new quest is about reading 100 books. So he gets shocked, like what type of quest I'm getting, like reading 100 books at a time. But then too, our player Dex, he has been number one player in the computer gaming world. So he accepts that challenge, and after accepting the challenge, the scene shifts to the library where two girls are reading out the book and they are watching our hero instantly and continuously. And they see like who is reading so many books, like I haven't seen someone reading so many books. They talk to each other and they just feel that some of the player, some of the kids just turn the pages in and out. But look at him, he's so dedicatedly reading to the books, like he's into something. And instantly Dex walks towards one of the girl and asks them for the sequel of the book. Now that girls get surprised that he's the one who read so many books and he's asking for the sequel. Then girls doesn't hesitate and gives her the book. Now this book contains the history of Arcadia, which is in the part 1 of the book. So the Dex is asking for the other book. The girl instantly remove one of the book and hand over to Dex. The Dex sees the book, he admires the book, and he is very, and now the girl is happy that there is someone who is reading the book very thoroughly and also interested in reading out the books. And now Dex sees the book like it is some type of another level of quest which he is going to have in this game. And this is the book which is the key to proceed the game to next level. And now you will see the Arcadian lady where there is the hidden quest which is going to generate and the hidden quest unlock. So she gives an order to unlock the hidden quest. While watching to the book, Dex find out that there has been a legendary adventurer who hid a gem near the lake of Adeline. And now his new quest is to find that gem and what was that treasure. But later on, when he comes to know that that was a hidden dark secret, dark evil secret which is hidden there in the lake. And now this is the quest which Dex has to find out what was there in the lake. So he opens the book, sees the map, and he says that it's near to the Dune Lake, which is near to Adeline. Dex moves towards the lake, finds out that it is so peaceful. How come someone can hide something in such a peaceful place? And he just keeps on thinking what is happening. Then instantly the quest reveals and he find out the scene shifts to the light which is coming on from the lake, and he finds out that in the deep down in the lake there is a fallen angel. Yes, the fallen angel who. So now it's the end of episode 2. Stay tuned and please subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Now we are going to start new manga, Solo Level.